Rapid test kits are reshaping healthcare diagnostics, offering fast, reliable results. Thanks to cutting-edge innovation, these kits now go beyond traditional tests, becoming essential tools for real-time health insights. New kits are more than simple tests. They're smart diagnostics. Many now integrate with digital platforms, syncing with apps to store, track, and analyze health data. This seamless integration helps patients and doctors monitor conditions over time, providing real-time insights and personalized care. For instance, a doctor can instantly access a patient's history, while patients can track their progress and receive timely reminders for medication or lifestyle changes. From rural clinics to urban hospitals, these innovations are closing gaps in healthcare access globally. Rapid test kits enable diagnostics to reach remote areas without labs, providing millions with faster, localized results. The future holds incredible potential. Scientists are now creating test kits that identify early markers of cancers, Alzheimer's, and genetic conditions, paving the way for proactive healthcare like never before. Cutting-edge innovations like nanosensors and microfluidics are transforming diagnostics by making tests smaller, faster, and more precise. These technologies pave the way for single-drop blood tests that can detect multiple conditions at once. Envision a future where a tiny drop of blood offers comprehensive health insights. Moreover, nanotechnology will enable real-time monitoring at a molecular level, providing unprecedented accuracy and early disease detection. This technological leap promises to revolutionize healthcare, making it more efficient and personalized than ever before. Soon, rapid test kits will harness artificial intelligence to deliver immediate analysis, forecast health risks, and provide personalized insights, all securely integrated with cloud data for enhanced, data-driven healthcare decisions. Imagine continuous at-home testing, allowing patients to self-monitor and manage chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, all from their smartphones. This innovation promises empowered, informed patients and proactive care. As rapid test kits advance, they're not only enhancing diagnostics, but revolutionizing our approach to healthcare. These kits are becoming faster, smarter, and more accessible, enabling both patients and healthcare providers to obtain accurate results swiftly. This leads to earlier disease detection, more effective treatments, and ultimately, improved health outcomes for everyone. This is paving the way for a healthier, more interconnected world where timely and precise diagnostics are accessible to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.